How to change address on Shein app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your shipping address on Shein app. Now the process is quite simple, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your Shein app, and once you're logged into your account, here you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the Me option that you find at the bottom of your screen. You can see at the bottom right corner. Simply tap on Me option. Now once here you can see a little gear icon at the top right corner. You can see the gear icon. You want to tap on it. Now once you tap on gear icon, you can see the very first option under your username there, address book. Simply tap on it, and here you'll be able to manage your address. Now you can see I have two different addresses. If you want to delete a particular address, you can tap on the delete option that you'll find with particular address, and once you tap on it, it'll ask you for confirmation. If you want to add another shipping address, you can tap on add a shipping address option at the bottom of your screen, and you'll be able to add another shipping address. If you want to edit already existing shipping address, you want to simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll be able to edit it, and once you edit it, at the bottom of your screen you'll find the save option, and you can save it. So this way you can change your address on Shein. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.